Tired of wrestling with Flutter's labyrinthine setup, only to hit a wall with state management spaghetti or routing nightmares? The Flutter Starter Pack slashes through the chaos with surgical precision. Master Provider and RiverPod for state management that doesn't leak. Nail-named route navigation with zero context errors. Integrate platform channels for Android, iOS APIs. And conquer App Store deployments without pulling your hair out. Whether you're a junior dev drowning in hot reloads, a cross platform engineer battling inconsistent UIs, or a solo founder racing deadlines, this is your cheat code. No more guesswork. Just ship apps that actually work. Here's what's inside the Flutter Starter Pack. Phase 1. Beginner's setup with Dart fundamentals and widget tree optimization. Phase 2. State Management Deep Dive, Provider, RiverPod, and Avoiding Unnecessary Rebuilds. Phase 3. Routing Mastery, Nested Navigators, Deep Linking, and Route Guards. Phase 4. Platform Channels, Biometric Auth, Camera Access, and Battery Monitoring. Phase 5. Deployment Pipelines, CI/CD for iOS, Android, crash analytics, and store metadata. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a pack, it's your full stack Flutter GPS. Installing the Flutter Starter Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add flutter-starter-pack. That's it. It downloads the complete workflow, all phases, code templates, and deployment checklists directly into your workspace. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows Flutter's gotchas, RiverPod scopes, and App Store rejection pitfalls. No magic, no bloat, just pure distilled expertise. Ready to stop Googling, why isn't my route popping, and actually build something? Your future self will thank you.